Let's take a look of how to do a puppy stretch. Puppy stretch is great for opening your upper back and also your shoulders where your arms are over your head. Often when we do back bends, which puppy pose is a back bend, we tend to dump everything in our lower back, and puppy pose is great that your back bend is more isolated in your upper back. So let's take a look at technique. We're going to start in a tabletop. Tops of the feet pressing down, hands under your shoulders, and your hips stacked directly over your knees. Okay, and from here, I'm gonna keep my hips stacked. I'm gonna walk your hands forward. Your fingertips facing forward, and from here I'm gonna melt my chest down. Maybe bringing my forehead down, keeping the elbows straight. And just spending some time here, 20-30 seconds. Making sure you have external rotation of your upper arms. Okay, so what that means, you're wrapping your triceps down, as if your armpits try to look towards each other and you're broadening the shoulder blades. If you're not sure what that means, you can try this variation from the same starting position. This time place your pinky finger side down and your thumbs facing up. And the same way, melting your chest down. And from here, if you want to take a look, I'm gonna keep my upper arm the same, but I'm gonna place my hands down in traditional puppy pose. And press back to come back. Another great variation is to use your yoga blocks or any elevated surface. Okay, so place the whole hand down. Make sure you feel nice and stable. Walk your knees back, melt your chest down. Okay, for people who are very flexible, you're gonna bring your chest down, chin down. Forehead is totally good option too. And press back. To get the most out of this stretch, you want to keep the elbows straight. So making sure your elbows not bending. Okay, arms engaged. And your hips are stacked rather than being back. Okay, it's okay, they're a little bit more forward. You're still opening your chest, but make sure you're not in a child's pose.